Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back and make sure to subscribe for more videos. Also, just want to express my sadness and condolence towards Sushant Singh and his family. Depression is real guys, it's very real. People have it and usually you never have an idea until it's too late. I have been in depression and I know a little bit about it. No one notices what's deep inside you when you have a pretty smile to cover it up all the time. I wrote a community post yesterday about some experience I had, you can read that. I wrote it but I don't think I could speak about it. Maybe someday we will talk about it in detail. That day just isn't today. But guys, do not let the thought of suicide ever cross your mind. Okay, whew, that was something. Let's cheer up the mood. So the phone is weird. Super weird. Even the name of the phone is weird. OnePlus Z? That's not weird, right? I know it's not weird, but that's also not the name. Earlier it was rumored that it will be called OnePlus 8 Lite. Nothing wrong with that. Then it was rumored to be called as the OnePlus Z. Nothing wrong with that either. But according to the new news, it will be called OnePlus Nord. And with that, everything is wrong. That's not a good phone name. At first, I'm surprised that NordVPN doesn't have it trademarked, and then the Nord name just doesn't really seem like a real consumer smartphone name. OnePlus Z sounded much better to me. I don't know what the reason is behind this, but it better be a good one for such a horrible name. This next thing is weird but also a good news. According to our new leaks, the OnePlus Nord now, the OnePlus Nord will have 4 rear cameras. Now that is good, but doesn't make a whole lot of sense because the more expensive OnePlus 8 only comes with triple rear shooters. At first, the OnePlus Z or Nord was expected to feature only dual cameras, then it was rumored to have triple cameras, and now quad cameras are coming to the OnePlus mid-range smartphone. At this growth rate guys, the OnePlus Nord might grow one more camera. On paper this will beat the camera setup on the OnePlus 8, but in the real life the case might not be the same. It's very possible that one or maybe two of the cameras could be just for calling it quad cameras. Depth sensor and macro sensors are just wasted lenses, although calling it a quad camera setup is really good for marketing. Overall, I don't mind having quad cameras as long as I have good enough main and wide angle shooter. Those are the real cameras you should be looking out for, not the macros and the depth sensors or the so-called quad camera setups. Also, the release date has been moved a little bit closer. It was supposed to launch on 25th of July, now it will be announced on 10th of July, but it could be even sooner alongside the OnePlus TV on July the 2nd. The phone features a Snapdragon 765G up to 12 GB of RAM, 90Hz display with punch hole and quad cameras. That becomes even more impressive given that the price will be quite low, much less than the current cheapest OnePlus offering, the OnePlus 8. Let me know guys your thoughts about the Nord name and the quad cameras. I think OnePlus Z sounded much better. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one, hit the like button if you enjoyed, follow me over on Twitter, and guys, thanks a lot for watching.